family. My name is Avinash. मैं गुरुग्राम से यहाँ स्पेशली आया था सिर्फ यही देखने के लिए और मेरा दिल बहुत खुश हुआ बहुत बेहतरीन और दिल को छू गया. The performances were outstanding and spectacular, and the message that you all wanted to try and give through this play was well received, and it was beautiful. And yes, it is something that is already close to my heart. Anything to do with Lord Krishna and Mahabharata, but yes, it gave a new and a different perspective to the whole story and taking it forward after the actual war.